Hey DIY Clubbers, we're back for another Cakin and Bacon episode to make these delicious 7-ingredient blueberry cookies. Stay tuned to see how it's done. So because I have my sous chef in the kitchen with me, I went ahead and prepped all of the ingredients by measuring everything out. That way it would make it super simple to have her assist me in the kitchen. Now you want to put your blueberries to the side once you microwave them, and you want them to come out kind of gooey, and this is what they should look like. So you want to begin by adding in all of your dry ingredients and whisking them together just to make sure that they are well combined and fully incorporated. Next, we are going to add in our wet ingredients, which is our butter and our sugar. And we are going to measure out your butter. I know I did it in an unconventional way, but hey, that's who I am. I do stuff the way that I want. And I'm just adding my butter to a bowl, and I do suggest that you use a higher sided bowl than I did, because as you can see in a little bit later, I got butter and sugar everywhere when I started trying to cream it. Not to mention the flour, but we'll get there. So here we are, just going ahead and creaming the butter and the sugar. And I would definitely suggest that you let your butter get a little bit more to room temperature than I did. And the recipe called for vegan butter, but I actually just used regular unsalted butter. And here we are adding in the microwaved blueberries. And this is what gives those cookies that beautiful purple color. The best part about these cookies are that they are colored naturally, and there's not a lot of extra added ingredients. It's a very simple recipe, and really you should have most of the ingredients on hand to make it. And of course, now we're going to incorporate our flour into our sugar, butter, and blueberry mixture. And I know y'all saw that big old dust cloud of flour. So like I said, definitely get a higher sided bowl than I did so that you don't get the ingredients everywhere. So we're just gonna add in the last little bit of the flour. We did it in about 3 different parts. And this just makes sure that everything gets fully combined and that there's no lumps of flour into your mix, because you don't want that. So you want to make sure everything is fully incorporated, and also go along and scrape down the sides to get any of that flour that's on the side. And then you're going to continue to mix until everything is fully incorporated. Now we are going to just stir in our white chocolate chips. There's no need to use the mixer for this. You can completely do this part by hand. And you'll just mix them in until they are fully incorporated. That way, each cookie will have a nice amount of the chocolate chips. Next, you're going to cover and set in the freezer for 30 minutes. Now, once they have firmed up, look, oh guys, the color, it looks so pretty. You're going to just use a cookie scoop or an ice cream scoop and scoop out your cookies. Now, I will say that this amount of ingredients did not make a lot of cookies. We ended up getting about 12 altogether. So if you want to make more, definitely double up your batch. And there's my niece scooping out the cookies. Then we're going to put them in the oven and let them bake. And then look at these beauties, y'all. Oh, so excited. And here are the 7-ingredient blueberry cookies complete. These came out so good, you guys. They are extremely tasty. The fact that they only use 7 ingredients is a total bonus. And these are just really great cookies to make and even better to eat. Thanks for joining me for another Cakin and Bacon. Like I said, I really love this series, so I might actually incorporate them a few more during the month. I haven't decided yet. I'm kind of reimagining my channel, which is what is contributing to the inconsistency of me posting. But I love you guys for sticking with me through this reimagining. I, of course, left the instructions down below in the description box, as well as the link to where I got this recipe, so that you guys can go check out her page and show her some love as well. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell for notifications. And please share this with a friend, you guys. We are still trying to grow, so I want to make sure I still get visibility. And I love you guys so much. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day. And always keep creating. All right. Love you guys. Bye.